Okay. So hello guys, this is episode number 14, part 2. It is a sequential video of the part 1. In this video, we're going to continue the detailed walkthrough of Tradingview platform. Okay. So in the previous episode, we have understood about different plans offered by the Tradingview platform. Okay. So in this video, okay, we're going to get started with the basic plan, which is a free plan basically. It is $0 forever. Okay, unless you subscribe one of the non-professional or professional plans. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for the TradingView account. So here you can see sign up. Okay, you just click on sign up. All right. From the sign up, you have a two option. Either you can use Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple account, or the LinkedIn account, or you can go for your email account. If you click on email, you have to write down your email and password. You have to complete this CAPTCHA. Okay. And after completing this CAPTCHA, you have to create an account. And once you have created an account, you will receive an email, okay, which will have the security code or the OTP code to complete the completion and connection with your TradingView, okay, account for your TradingView account. All right. So for the ease of this account, I will go for the sign up with the Google. So I will sign up, okay, and I will choose one of my Google accounts. All right, and I will click on confirm here. Okay. Once I select my Google account, I will click on confirm, and my account is created without any additional steps. Okay. Now I have to select the username. You can use any username which you like. For example, for here, I will write down MS357. All right. And you have to check and receive marketing emails with special offers. And you also have to check that you have read and agreed with the terms and conditions and privacy policy of the TradingView. So you have to check both of the boxes and click on next. All right. Now your TradingView account has been created. Okay. Now let's suppose if you already have a trading account with TradingView. All right. So how you will log in? Okay. So let me sign out. Okay. And once we sign out, all right. So we go to the TradingView. Okay. And here you can see the login. Just click over here and you will be able to log into your TradingView account. And here you will see the option of sign in. Click on sign in. Okay. If you have signed in using email, then write down your email or username and then write down your password and then click on sign in. Okay. Don't forget to check remember me. Okay. If you have created an account with the Google or Facebook or Twitter, then you have to click one of these. Then you have to click one of these options and then sign in to your account. I have created an account with the Google, so I will click on Google. All right, and I will select the account, which is this one. Okay, and then click on confirm. And now I will be logged into my TradingView account. Just wait a while, and wait, hold on. Sorry. I need to sign out. I think I've selected the wrong account. Just hold on a bit. All right. So here you will click on sign in. And after clicking on the option, you have to click on sign in. All right. Then sign in to your account using one of the available options. I will use Google because I've signed in using Google. And from here, I will select the account. I don't know, for some reasons the account is disabled. So I will select this new account. Okay, maybe the account is, yeah, the account is here. So I will just click on OK and click on next. So I have already signed into the TradingView account. All right. So once we have signed into our TradingView account, our TradingView window will look something like this, right? So we will just uncheck it. And from here, I will go to the products part, okay, or I will go to the home page. And from the home page, I will go to the product part or the product tab. And from here, I'm gonna select super charts. Once we click on the super charts, our TradingView charting window will open. Okay. Now the first thing first, I gonna help you to create to customize our charts, okay, according to our needs. All right. So first thing, what you have to do, I have to teach you some of the few functionalities of the TradingView. Here you can see the watch list, okay, and here over here you can see the information about the asset. Okay, for example, if I select this asset, then I will have the information about this asset. Like these are the technical information, these are performance, market open time, and a lot of other information. So these are the symbols here. Okay. So if I click on, so these are the symbols. Okay. Whatever symbols I select, I can see the information about it. Okay. Now from here, you can see from here, this is a place from where we can access range of different symbols or the asset symbols. Okay. So here you can see stocks, funds, futures, forex, cryptos, indices, bonds, and economy. So we have different range of options to select from, different range of asset classes to select from. Let's suppose if I click on stock, then I can select different type of stocks available. You can see there are a lot of stocks available. Okay, from here I can select countries. From the countries I can select US, Canada. Which countries stocks do I need to select? Like, do I want? So I can just click over US, just okay, and then I can just and I can select all of the stocks, and I can see all of the stocks available in US. So we have Apple shares. Okay, we have Nvidia Corporation. Okay, these are the price charts of Nvidia. All right, and we have Tesla shares. All right. So we have different range of stocks here. In the same way, because we are only interested in the Forex and the indices, so we're going to select all from here, Forex from here, and we can select range of different options. For example, Euro, US dollar. Okay. And we can select other Forex firms. Okay. We have, sorry, Forex asset classes or Forex assets like British pound, GBP, USD. Okay. So here you can see, like if we go for the Euro USD, we have a different, for example, if we write down here Euro US dollar, we can see that there are a lot of Euro US dollar assets offered by different brokers. Okay. We have the Euro USD asset offered by FXCM. We have the Euro USD offered by Oanda. We have Euro USD offered by Forex.com. So here we gonna select only Oanda. Okay, Oanda is my preferred uh, exchange for the Forex market. So I'm gonna select Oanda from here, and I will only see the stocks from the Oanda. From here, I can now select any asset I want. Okay, so I have GBP US dollar. You can see. All right. So now I have the chart of GBP US dollar. So we can select any asset class we want. For example, GBP, JPY. All right. So we have this asset class here. All right. So now what I need you to do is to go for all, and from all, you have to write down, for example, okay, so we can select different kinds of stocks. For example, if we want to select XAU metal, for XAU USD, okay, we can select the one offered by the Wanda. Okay, so we can select different kinds of assets here. So now, when you are selecting your assets, the first thing you need to do is to create a watch list. Okay, so I will just create a watch list here, and in a watch list, I will just add all of the assets that are important to me, which I use in my daily trading. Okay, so I gonna create a watch list of the major forex pairs and important minor forex pairs, and as well as the commodity for and as well as the commodity pairs. Okay, so I will click on create new list. Okay, from the watch list option. All right. And here is the watch list already. I will just remove all of the options from here watch list. This is already the watch list. So I will remove everything from here. Okay. And after removing the watch list here, I can click on add symbol from here. You can see add symbol in the watch list section. Just click on add symbol. And I have to write down, first of all, I need to select XAU USD, which is the commodity pair which we trade. It should be offered by Wanda Exchange. So we click on XAU USD. You can see XAU USD has been added here. And now we can click on other assets, for other asset classes, for example, Forex. And we have to select all the major pairs. So first thing we need to, here you can see the add to watch list option here as well. You can just directly click here to add assets to the watch list. So I will add Euro USD. I will add GBP USD. I will add GBP JPY. I will add USD JPY, AUD USD, USD CAD. Okay. And after USD CAD, I will add this USD CHF. I will go down. Okay. Yeah. Then we have to also add New Zealand US dollar. I've added it. Okay. And we also have to add CHF. Right. These are the forex pairs which we need to add. Okay. And that's it. So you can see we have a watch list here. We have all major pairs. Okay. And we also have a very prominent minor pair, which is GBP JPY. And we also have a commodity pair, which is XAU USD. So let's count our asset now. One, two. So let's count our major assets. Our major assets are totals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 asset classes. Yeah. So we have the 7 major assets, and then we have one minor asset or GBP JPY, and we have one gold as well. So total, we have around 9 trading assets. Okay. So if we want to switch between the charts, we can easily switch between the charts. Okay. By just clicking on the assets here. For example, this is Euro USD. If you want to go and see the Euro USD chart, we can just click on Euro USD chart. You can see that the Euro USD chart will be shown here. If you click on GBP USD chart, you can see that GBP USD chart will be shown here. If you want to click on GBP JPY chart, we can see that the GBP JPY chart will be seen here. Okay, so make sure whatever you add, you must add all of the assets from the Wanda exchange. This is my recommendation. Do not use the assets from other exchanges for Forex and CFDs. Okay, keep this in mind. Now we have USD JPY. We can go to the USD JPY chart. So we can go to any chart we want here, right? And we will also see the information of this one, right? We can see the some important information about this asset. You can see if we go for your AUD USD, Australian dollar USD, you can see that we can have a look over all important information related to this asset class or related to this forex pair. Okay. So now let's go towards more, right? So this is what we call as a watch list. Okay. So if we click here, our watch list will appear. If we click here again, our watch list will disappear. Okay. So here you can see that this is alerts. So whatever alerts we place on the chart, it will be added here. For example, if I want to place an alert on this level, let's suppose this is a level where I want to place the alert on this level. So if I go here, right click, and you can see add alert at this price level. Okay. So I have to configure this alert. Okay, and then click on create alert. Okay, we can configure this alert according to our own conditions. You can see we have a lot of conditions over here. Okay, and we can just see that how many times the alert should trigger. Should the alert trigger only once, or should the alert trigger every time? It's up to you, whatever preference we use, right? We can also keep the name of the alert. For example, if you want to say that the alert name is AUD bounce, let's suppose, whatever name you want to keep, right? So AUD USD bounce. So whatever name you want to create for this alert, and you have to select whether we have to select whether we have to we want this alert to be triggered every time or only once. That's up to you as well. And if you want to put any expiration of this, right, you can also put the expiration of this alert. Okay, so usually the expiration by default is 1 month after 1 month. Okay, but if you want to select another date, you can also select other dates for the expiration. Okay, if you want to select an open-ended alerts, then there will be no expiration, right? But this comes with a plan. If you just select on open-ended alerts which has no expiration, then it is asking you to subscribe to this premium package. Okay, or to other packages. All right. But anyways, we're gonna just click on create, and you can see that the alert has been created. Okay, and now it has been updated. You can see that the alert has been created. Okay, and if any alert is triggered, for example, if the price touches this level and the alert is triggered, you will hear the beep sound, and the alerts log activity will appear over here. All right, that is the functionality of alert. I will just remove this alert. If you want to remove this alert, you can remove this alert from here. This is the alert name, you can see, and you can just remove the alert from here. Okay, the alert is removed. Now this is the data window. Okay, in data window, you can have an information about the asset for AUD USD, okay, on a daily chart. Okay, and if you change the time frame from here, you can have further information, okay, according to the time frames. I will tell you more about this later. Okay, you can see over here. This information changes. So this information tells you about the open, high, low, close, change, volume, and last day change. Okay, and it also tells you about the volume. Okay, volume over this time frame. So this time frame is 5 minutes, so it tells you the volume of the 5 minute, and it gives you the data of price, like open price, high price, low price, close price, change in price, volume of the price, last day change. Okay, so this is price data, this is volume data. And all of this data is extracted from the 5 minute time frame of the AUD USD asset. But if you select let's suppose 30 minute, so you can see that this is a 30-minute data, and it will change accordingly. All right, so this is object tree. If you want to see the object tree, you can see the object tree like this. If you want to see the data window, then you can see the data window. This is object tree, and this is data window. Okay, so both of the information are available. Okay, object tree tells you that what kind of objects do you have on your chart. It says that you have a trend line on your chart and a volume on your chart. And you also have a chart of AUD. Okay, AUD US dollar on your chart. Okay, so the object tree tells you what is available on your chart. So let's suppose if I just place this here. Okay, you can see long position object tree. So object tree tells you what is placed on your chart. Okay, if I want to place this one here, short position, you can see the short position is on the chart. If I want to close any object tree from here. I can also close from here. Or if I want to close from here, okay, you can see that this object tree, this short and long position has been added. If I want to close, I can directly close from here, or I can also delete it from here, remove, by just clicking it and then click on remove. Or otherwise, just click it and here you can see the delete. Both options are feasible. I can delete from here, or I can also right click it and remove from here. It's up to me. Or the third option is you just remove from the object tree. Okay, so that's it. And now this is a data window. Data window shows you price information about the price and volume of your chart. Okay, and now this is the this is a screener. Okay, it's not really useful right now, so I'm gonna skip it now. You can explore it later and you can test it out. What other options do we have in the trading view? All right, and this one here is the ideas. If you have any ideas, you can post your ideas over here. If you want to chat with other traders, public and private chats, you can just chat publicly with other traders, or you can also have a private chat with other traders. Here, if you want to get an idea of others, that what other people are trading, or if you want to know the analysis of other traders, you can always go to the idea stream and you will get in trading ideas from other people. All right. Here, these are the streams, these are the idea streams, and these are the video based streams. If you want to see the streams of other people, if you want to see the ideas of other people which are based on videos, then you have to click here. And if you want to see the ideas of other people in terms of chart images or screenshots, then you have to click here, right? It's all up to you. And here, these are the notifications. Okay. All right. So I have given you everything. This is a calendar here. If you want to see the earning calendars, what is coming for the Euro USD, sorry, for the AUD USD asset, you can see the, sorry, for all of the assets, you can see the earnings calendar, or you can see the economic calendar. So we have three types of calendars. We have the economic calendar, earnings calendar, and the dividends calendar. For the scope of our Forex trading and CFDs trading, we will only be limited to the economic calendar. We don't have to bother much about the earnings calendars and the dividends calendar. We only have to look for the economic calendar. So remember in the past video where I told you about the macroeconomic calendar, which was Forex Factory. Okay. This one, Forex Factory. I hope you remember it in the last video, in the last few videos, in the last few episodes. I I I told you about the economic calendar, which is here. You can see the economic calendar at the Forex Factory. Okay. In the same way, TradingView also gives you an economic calendar. All right. So that's another feature of the TradingView. So I hope you have understood everything about this functionality. If you need any support or help, you can open your support tickets, or you can browse through the frequently asked questions of TradingView. Okay. All right. So that is all about it, right? And here, if you go here, this is a watch list, the first one, right? Okay, so I have given a brief explanation about this chart. Okay, now let's suppose if you are trading and if you want to take a picture or snapshot of this chart, what are you gonna do? You have to click here, which is camera picture over here. You have to click on the camera icon over here. And here you can either go for the copy link, okay, or you can download image. Okay, if I copy link, okay, the link will be copied and you can open this in a new chart. You can just paste the link here and you can send the link of your chart to the other people or to other traders. Okay, so I hope you got your point. Or if you want to download it, then you can also download it from here, download image, and this image of the chart will be downloaded. You can see here, okay, I can open it and this image has been downloaded. All right. And you can share with your fellow traders whatever your trade ideas are. Or if you want to just do some practice and for your own convenience, you want to download the charts, you can download the charts as well. Okay. So it's all up to you. So here, this one is a full screen mode if you want to see the chart on the full screen mode. If you want to exit the chart from the full screen mode, then just click here and then just click ESC from the keyboard. What you have to press ESC, skip button from the keyboard. Just look over your keyboard and you will see the keyboard button named as ESC. Okay, ESC. All right, you will see this keyboard button. Just press this button and you will exit the full screen. All right. So I will click on ESC. All right. So once you just exit the full screen mode, you will be exited out of the full screen mode of the trading view. Here is the chart settings. Okay. I will tell you later about the chart settings here. You can see, you can do the various chart settings from here. This is symbol setting. This is status line, sales and lines, canvas, trading, events. Okay. So events, right? And this one here is the search tool functions. Okay. So we will not be using it much, okay? But as you become professional trader and as you use your TradingView account more casually and more usually, like more regularly, then you will be able to access it. All right, now once we have completed this all, we're gonna go to the top charts here. You can see, all right. So from here, this is a bar by bar replay function. This is for first of all, this one is undo, this is redo. If we draw any chart here, we can click on undo and this will be deleted. And here we can do redo and this will be deleted. Okay, or this will be re-emerged on the chart, right? So this is undo and this is redo. All right, it's very simple here. All right. And now let's suppose if we draw a lot of things on the chart like this, we have a lot of charts here. We have done a lot of drawing here and we want to delete everything from the chart. One option I told you, it's that you have to go to the object tree, and from the object tree, you click on object tree and then delete it. Okay. The problem with this is that you have to delete a lot of data and you don't know which data to delete, then you can delete from here. All right, easily. Or you can do undo, okay, and you can also delete from here. Okay, from just do the right click on your screen. Okay, right click from your mouse. After doing the right click, you have to select the option of remove drawings and remove indicators, just because these are the drawings on the chart. So we will click on remove drawings. All right, and this remove drawings, all of the drawings will be removed from your chart. All right. So if you want to undo, we can undo. If you want to redo, we can redo. Okay. It's up to us. This is replay function. Okay. So this replay function, I will teach you later when we are back testing it. For now, we can just skip it. All right. I will teach you how to use the replay function here. For example, for here, because we are on a free package, so we will select the daily charts. I will just quickly give you a review of the replay function. So here we can backtest our chart. We want to see how the price moves from this level, whether the price moves down or up from this level, we can always backtest it. And now I can just click here, forward. I can click on forward and I can see what the price is doing here. All right. And if I want to click on, if I want to buy or sell, place a buy trade here or sell trade here, I can place a sell trade here. All right. And I can see that the price, and I can just move the bar down to see what the price is doing. Okay. Yeah. So this way you can easily backtest on your chart on TradingView when you, on TradingView. So replay function is very important when you are backtesting on your chart. All right. For example, if you want to see what the price is doing after this chart here, okay, we designed this area of like we just designed this area, and now we want to backtest it. Okay, what the price is doing. So we can go to the replay function and we can click here. Okay, and now we just go by bar by bar. Okay, so this is, you can see as we place our mouse cursor here, it shows that forward. Okay, this is forward, this is play, this is select bar, this is jump to real chart, and this is a speed, the replay speed. All right, so I will just use the forward. This is my personal favorite. All right, And as I click here, I just click on sell, okay? And I can place my take profit here, all right? My SL over here, all right? And I can just play forward. I can play forward and I can see that I've already won the trade, the short trade. This is how you can backtest on the trading view when you're using the bar replay function, all right? So here, yes, so I have exited the bar chart here. Okay. From here, you can see that we have alert option. This is same thing. If you want to create an alert, you can create an alert over here. Okay, you can create alert from here as well, and you can create alert from here as well. Okay, add an alert to the chart. Okay, so these both are same if you want to alert. So we will explore more into alert functions as we go into our, as we go deeper into our, as we go forward with our mentorship sessions. Okay. From here, this is a layout, okay? So layout is not very important, okay? I'm gonna teach you this layout later as we dig deeper into our mentorship session. From here, we can select the range of indicators, okay? We can select any range of indicators, whatever indicators we want to add to our chart, okay? So let me remove this. All right. So here, I can select a range of indicators. So first let me remove this indicator, which is volume. So whatever indicator we add on the chart, they will appear here, or they can also appear here. If the indicator is overlapped with the price chart, then it's gonna appear here. And if the indicator is placed below the price chart, it's gonna appear over here as a separate window. Here, both this volume indicator and this price indicator are submerged in a chart. Okay, so uh, that's why the volume indicator has been shown here. So sorry, the volume indicator is being shown here, right? So I'm gonna remove it, okay? And now I'm gonna select the fresh indicator, all right? So I'm gonna go here and let's suppose I add any indicator, for example, average directional index. You can see that this indicator, because this indicator has a separate window than the price chart, you can see there are two separate window. That's why it's the feature, or that's why the statistics of this indicator is shown downward. Okay. If I want this indicator to be placed above the price chart, I can click over here, move the panel up, and it will go up. Okay. And the price chart will go down. Similarly, if I want to click move the panel down, you can see that this indicator will go down. All right. And if I want to remove this indicator, I can either remove from here, delete panel, or I can remove the indicator from here. Okay, both are okay. Just undo it. I can also remove the indicator from here. All right. So we have various indicators. Okay. So in a free version, you can place 3 indicators on chart. Since you are using the free version of TradingView, you can use 3 indicators. For example, I will add 3 indicators. One, okay, I will add another indicator. Let's suppose balance of power, and I will add another indicator, this one. Now, as I'm adding more indicators, you can see that it is telling me, it is asking me to upgrade, because on a basic plan, we can only place 2 indicators. That's why it is asking me to upgrade my plan to premium, essential, plus whatever it is, right? So that's why in a basic plan, we cannot place more than 2 indicators on chart. So I will remove it. Okay. If I want to move it down, then this will move down. If I want to move it up, it will move up. Okay. I can select how I can move the indicators. Okay. I can just do the settings as I like. All right. And if I want to remove this indicator, I can remove from here. I can also remove this indicator from here, or I can just click on this cross, or I can just click on this cross to delete this panel of indicator. If I want to hide this indicator, I can click here and click on hide. Okay, this indicator will be hidden. If I want to unhide this, then I want to click on I. I have to click on the I option here. Similarly, if I want to hide this indicator, I have to click on I option here and it will be hidden. hidden. If I want to, uh, if I want to, if I want to show this indicator on the chart, then I have to click on unhide. I have to click on show. And here you can see hide. And here you can see it says show. All right. If I want to do the settings of the indicator, then I can click on settings and I can play with different settings of these indicators. Okay. I can just change the settings of the indicators. I can even change the color of the indicator as I want. I can also change the line of the indicator, the line color of the indicator, and I can also select the type of line I want. This line or this line or this line. Okay. It's up to me. All right. And I can also select the line width. You can see here the line thickness. All right. So I can click this one, this one, this one. I can make the line dark as a, or I can make the line very, very thin, right? It's up to me. I can play around with these settings. Okay. If I want to check the coding of this indicator, how this indicator is coded, okay, then I can click here and I can get the source code of this indicator. When I click the source code, the Pine editor window will open in the trading view and I can see the entire coding of this indicator. All right. I can close it. Similarly, I can also check the coding of this indicator, the source code. You can see the source code of this indicator. All right. Okay, so I can remove this indicator for now. I hope you have understood everything about the indicator. There are range of indicators. Okay, we have the technical indicators, we have the fundamental indicators. Okay, and this type of indicator does not have a fundamental matrix. Okay, because fundamental indicator is only valid for the for the stocks and all those stuffs, right? All right. Okay, so once we have covered the fundamental, once we have covered about the indicators, we can go to the types of charts, types of charts which we have, which are available on TradingView. So we have different kind of charts available on TradingView. We have candle, we have bars. Okay, these are the bars you can see. Okay, these are the candles. Okay, these are the hollow candles. These are the volume candles. Okay, volume candles are not provided with the basic plan. You need to go for the premium plan. All right. And then we have the line chart. Okay, we can have the line with markers. We can have step line. Okay, we can have area. Okay, we can have HLC, high low close line area, HLC area. We can have the baseline. Okay, we can have the columns chart. We can have the high-low chart. We can have the time price opportunity chart. Time price opportunity chart is only available with the paid plans like premium. All right. And we can have the Heiken-Ashi chart. Okay. We can have the Renko chart. We can have the line break chart. We can have the Kagi chart. We can have the point and figure chart, and we can also have the range chart. So we have different types of charts available. Okay, the most preferable are either the bar chart. Okay, these are the most preferable, or the candle charts. Okay, these two charts are most commonly used in the financial markets, and sometimes the line charts are also very common, right? Okay, the line charts. So these three charts are the common. Okay, common features or common featured charts of the financial markets. All right, now we will just go to the default one, which is candles. All right, from here, I just gone, now here, you can see that now we're going to move to the next one. And this one is the time frame chart. Here, from here, if you click on here, you can select the various kind of time frames, okay, on the chart. This is 1 minute time frame. You can see these are the 1 minute candles. These are the 2 minute time frames. You can select here. Okay, the 2 minute time frame is not supported with the free TradingView account. These are the 5 minute time frame, 10 minute time frame. Okay, 10 minute is not supported. All right. So we have the 30 minute time frame. We have 45 minutes time frame. we have 1 hour time frame, right? We have 2 hour time frame, we have 4 hour time frame, we have daily time frame, we have uh, weekly time frame, we have monthly time frame, we have yearly time frame. So whatever time frame we want to choose, we can choose from here, right? This is 1 minute time frame. So we're gonna just put on the default. Okay, let's go for the 1 hour chart time frame. Okay, from here you can select different types of time frame. Here, if you want to compare another symbol and you want to compare it with the AUD USD or any asset pair, then you can click over here. Okay, now just select the symbol which you want to compare with this asset class, which is currently shown on your screen, AUD USD. Okay, let's suppose we use Euro USD. Okay, and if I told you about, if I have like I have taught you about the correlation in my past mentorship videos or in my past mentorship episodes, so this plus sign will add another chart on your chart, and you can easily do the correlation analysis. You can see whether the two asset classes are are actually positively correlated or negatively correlated. Okay, so you can just compare it. I will just go for USD JPY. Okay, I can just add this chart on this. I can just add it here. Now you can see here the correlation is very simply seen. Okay, you can see here the price is going up, USD JPY is going up, and AUD USD is falling down. Here, here, AUD USD is going down, USD JPY is going up. All right. Here you can see, you can easily match the correlation. Here, both Australian dollar and AUD USD and USD JPY are going up, right? So you can match the correlation here. Okay. I can just unhide it or I can remove it. And that's how we can check the correlation on charts. All right, from here. So we can add another asset as well. For example, if I want to check the correlation with the stock market index, like S&P 500, then I can also check the correlation of AUD USD with S&P 500. Okay. I can I can remove it from here. Or if I want to add again, if I want to unhide it, if I want to hide it, I can also hide it from here. I can also do the settings from here. Okay. And I can just select the line. Okay. The color of the line. All right. And then click on here. You can also you can also change the color of the line from here. So I'm going to remove it. And that's how you're going to change. You're going to just, adjust the you can play with different kinds of correlation and charts, okay, using this tab. This tab is known as the drawing toolbar. From this chart, you can actually uh, you can actually draw a lot of things on your chart. For example, if I want to draw here, if I want to select the dot here, I can select the dot from here. This is a select tool. Okay, this is select tool. Okay, from the select tool, I can select different kind of tools here. For example, arrow. The arrow is shown on the screen. If I want to select here the dot is shown on the screen. From here, just you can see the small arrow over here. This small cursor over here, you have to click it, and then you have to select. And if you want the magic pen, you can see the magic pen over here. You can see, yeah. All right. If you want to select the standard dot, so on a normal basis, okay, by default, cross is the normal select tool here in the trading view. All right, the cross one is the normal select tool. So I recommend you just to stick with cross. But if you want to play around with different select tools, you can definitely play. Here you can see this is a line tool, the trend line tool. Here you can see different types of trend lines. Okay, you can draw a trend line like this. Okay, you can select another ray. This is ray. All right. You can select info line. Okay, you can select extended line. Okay, you can draw trend angle line. This trend angle line will show you the angle of the trend, angle of this line. Okay, and then we have the horizontal line. we have the horizontal ray, we have the vertical line, you can see, we have the cross line, you can see the cross line on the chart. All right. And then we have the parallel channel. You can see if you want to do the parallel channel like this. Okay. And from here we have the regression channel. All right. We can draw several types of line. We have the flat tops and bottom. All right. Then we have the disjoint channel. All right. We can draw the disjoint channel from here. We have the flat top and bottom disjoint. We have the pitchfork. Okay, pitchfork, you can see over here. Let me remove because my, so pitchfork here. Okay. And now we have the sniff pitch talk. Okay. So I normally don't use these tools, but these are provided in the TradingView. All right. Then we have the modified pitchfork. All right. So we have different types of pitchfork tools. So these are basically the trend line tools. Okay. Here, this one is the Fibonacci retracement tools, or you can see the Fibonacci tools. This is known as the Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci drawing tool. We have the Fibonacci retracement. Okay. We have the trend-based Fibonacci retracement. All right. We have the Fibonacci channel. All right. So we have a different types of Fibonacci here. I will teach you what kind of drawing tools we will use. Okay. So we don't use all kind of drawing tools, but we are only limited to only like very, very selective kind of drawing tools, right? All right. So we have different kind of drawing tools here. So we have the fib time zone. Okay, this is a fib time zone. All right, we don't usually use it. We have the fib speed resistance tool. Okay, this is used for very very complicated technical analysis. We don't use it. It's just shown, it is just available in the TradingView. So TradingView is a complete trading package. It's one of the best trading platform, right? We have the fib circles tool. Okay, and we have the fib spiral tool. Okay, different kind of Fibonacci tools. Fib wedge, this is a fib wedge tool. Okay, and then we have the pitch fan tool. Okay, you can see here pitch fan. Then we have the GAN box. Okay, and then we have the GAN box square fixed. All right, and then we have the GAN square. All right, and the last one is the GAN fan. Okay, so we have different kind of tools, drawing tools available. So this one is a trend line tool. This one is the Fibonacci tool. Okay, and this one is the, now we go to the third one. Okay, these are the Elliott waves or Elliott wave pattern tools. Okay, Elliott wave patterns. So Elliott wave is another kind of another form of technical analysis. We do not employ Elliott waves in our trading strategies, but these are the drawing tools available for the Elliott waves, right? So we have X and B pattern. Okay, we have different kinds of pattern. All right. So these are the Elliott waves. If you want to explore more, you can explore more on the Elliott waves from here. All right. So let's suppose just go into this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the Elliott waves here. Okay. 5 count cycle. And then we have the, let's suppose, head and shoulder pattern. Let's suppose here 1, 2. Okay. Head and shoulder pattern like this. Okay. So whatever patterns we are using, we can just use. So these, all of these patterns, chart patterns, or all of these Elliott wave patterns, these are the pattern tools. Okay. So you can, if you want to draw the patterns on chart, you can use these kind of tools. All right. All right. Now we have what we call it as a projection tool. Okay, projection tool is a tool that helps you to place an entry on your chart. For example, here we have the long position tool. Long position means that if you want to enter our trade, okay, if you want to enter a buy trade or long trade, for example, we place our trade here. This one is a stop loss. This red one is a stop loss. This green one is a take profit. So we place our stop loss here over here, and we place our take profit over here. You can see that this is that we anticipate that the price is going up. Now, let's suppose if I want to place a short, let's suppose I just draw a chart here and I want to place a trade over here. So here I can go for the short trade because I anticipate that the price will go down. So I can place a short trade over here. My entry is here. This line where you place your cursor is the entry. Okay, this line is an entry here. Entry, this upper line is a stop loss. So I can adjust the stop loss. This below green line where you can see here, this is a take profit. All right, so this is a short tool. Similarly, we have a lot of short tools. We have the forecast tool. Okay, if you want to forecast how the price is moving here, we can make a forecast here. Okay, then we have the bar pattern tool. I want to see how the bar patterns look like. So these are the bar patterns here. I can just copy the bar patterns here and I can make, if I want to annotate my chart, I can annotate it, right? Yeah, that's it. All right, so this is a bar pattern here. And after this bar pattern, we can see that the price fell down. So we anticipate the price will fall down. So this is a bar pattern tool. All right. So we will dig deeper into all of these tools. This is just an introductory video of how to use a trading view. All right. And now we have the ghost feed tool. You can see the ghost feed. It just So this is a candlestick pattern you can see. This is a ghost feed. If you want to copy your chart and you want to paste on your Word document or some other document, you can just use a ghost feed to make a projection of your chart, okay? Or extrapolation of your chart. And now we have the projection tool. If I want to project here, okay, this is a projection tool. This projection tool tells you about the angle of the chart, okay? The angle of the pattern. Now we have anchored VWAP. Okay, this is anchored VWAP. Okay, and then we have the fixed range profile. If I want to see the range profile, volume profile of this to this chart, I can see the volume profile. I can see that most of the major line of support or resistance is over here. Okay, I'm gonna tell you more about this later. This is just I'm just telling you and giving you a hands-on experience about different tool used in the trading view. All right. Okay. So we have the anchored volume profile we have done. This is anchored volume profile. You can see here. Okay. Then we have the price range. If you want to see the price range, how many pips the price has moved, you can see that the price has moved 33.9 pips. All right. This is the price range. And this is a date range. If you want to see how much time these bars have taken. So from here to here, the price has moved for over 1 day and 7 hours. So this is date range. And now we also have another functionality, which is date and price range. All right. So if I want to draw from here to here, I can see both how many pips the price moved, okay, from here to here, and how many days the price took to move this distance. So this is known as price and date range. All right. All right. So we will conclude the video over here. I will tell you about the next, uh, I will continue about TradingView functionalities, okay, in my subsequent episode. Okay, so let's finish this episode here. Okay, and I hope you will get a lot of good concepts from this video because I have given you the hands-on experience. In the next video, I will teach you more and I will show you more functionalities of TradingView. For now, we're gonna commence our we're gonna conclude our episode number 14, part 2 over here.